Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ashok Kumar Bisurapur, Associate Professor, Department of Religion Education and Deputy Registrar, Evaluation Section, Karnataka State, Hakkamadu Women's University, Vijaypura. Today we shall discuss about examining the role of school context in creating difficulties for language learners. English language learners come from different backgrounds and often face multiple challenges in the classroom. To complicate matters further, teachers of practical research-based information, resources, and strategies needed to teach, evaluate, and nature of English language learners being given reading and math tests in English before they are proficient in the language. So, what are the challenges or difficulties for language learners? English language learners face many obstacles when reading literature in English. We expect students to have prior knowledge of literary genres such as fairy tales, myths, legends, and tall tales. If the teacher has not activated prior knowledge or built background information, knowing the vocabulary will not solve the problem. English language learners may be able to read the words, but it does not mean they will understand the text. What are specific challenges? Here are some specific challenges that English language learners face when learning to read the English language. First point, an abundance of idioms and figurative language in English text, which become a hurdle in a language learning for the newcomers. Number two, unfamiliar vocabulary. I mean, the vocabulary which they doesn't know when they encounter while reading the English language textbook. Number three, use of homonyms and synonyms. Fourth one, grammar usage, especially the exceptions to the really. Number five, word order, sentence structure, and syntax, which are new to the newcomers. Number six, difficult text structure with a topic sentence supporting details and conclusion. The structure of the text somewhat become problem to the English language readers. I mean, the new English language readers. Unfamiliarity with the connotative and denotative meanings of words. Some words are they are the students are unfamiliar with the meaning of those words. English language learners may not have practice in expressing an opinion about the text. They may not have practice in expressing an opinion about the text. I mean, the lack of language, I mean, the lack of vocabulary, which become hurdle in expressing the opinion about the text. Use of original unsupportive dialects. So, the original unsupported dialects will become hurdle in language learning. So, next 10th point, fear of participation and interaction with the mainstream students. So, this is what we are experiencing in the schools. So, fear of participation that exists among the English language learners and barrier between the mainstream students, I mean, those who are coming from convent schools and those who are coming from the other regional language stream. Story themes and ending can be inexplicable. Literary terms for story development are not understood. So this is what literary terms sometimes the students will face and understand the text. Unfamiliarity with drawing conclusions, analyzing characters, and predicating the outcomes. Imagery and symbolism in the text are difficult. So these are what the problems which are created in the classroom for the learners and challenges faced by the students. So to conclude, the learning needs of English language learners is a big job, one that required the coordination and collaboration. So it's a joint venture of teacher and taught to overcome the problems of English language learning. So hope you all got the information. Thank you and all. With a mask and maintain the social distance to fight against pandemic issue. Thank you.